Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? It feels like no matter how much you earn, your bills always seem to catch up with you, and there's never enough left to save or invest. But what if I told you that breaking this cycle is possible? It's a never-ending cycle, right? Paycheck comes in, bills are paid, and then you're left wondering how you'll make it until next month. The constant stress can wear you down. But breaking free from this cycle doesn't require a miracle. Step 1, track your spending. It may sound simple, but this is the foundation of financial freedom. Use a budgeting app or even a simple notebook to record every expense. You'd be amazed at how quickly you'll notice where your money is going. Take a closer look at your habits. That daily coffee, the subscription you rarely use, or eating out multiple times a week. These small expenses add up fast. Cutting back on these little indulgences can free up a surprising amount of cash. Step 2, create a realistic budget. Separate your essentials, like rent, utilities, and groceries, from the non-essentials. It's tempting to buy things you don't really need, but by prioritizing the basics, you'll free up more money for savings and debt repayment. Your budget should reflect your goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear financial goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 3, build an emergency fund. Start with small contributions. Maybe $50 or $100 a month. The idea is to start building a safety net for unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. Over time, this fund will grow, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared. Step 4, pay down high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans can quickly spiral out of control because of the high interest. Focus on paying off these debts first. Start with the smallest balance or the highest interest rate. It's up to you. But the key is to get rid of them as quickly as possible. You might think you need a big raise to get ahead, but even small amounts can make a huge difference. Set aside extra money to pay off your debts faster. The more you pay off, the more money you'll have available for saving or investing. Step 5, increase your income. Look for opportunities to make more money. This could be asking for a raise, finding a new job, or starting a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, selling items you no longer need, these are just a few ways to boost your cash flow. The goal is to create multiple income streams. It's not just about earning more, it's about having more options. Step 6, review your progress regularly. Track your spending, update your budget, and celebrate the small wins. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but you will start to see progress. By sticking to your budget, tracking your spending, and focusing on paying off debt, you'll gradually see your financial situation improve. Here's the real game changer. Breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle isn't about making drastic, it's about consistently taking small steps that build up over time. You'll feel empowered as you take control of your finances. The more you stay on track, the more options you'll have. No longer will you feel trapped by your bills or paycheck. You'll have the freedom to make choices, save for the future, and even splurge on the things you really want without guilt. Imagine a future where money isn't a constant stress, where you can enjoy time with family, travel, or even start saving for big dreams, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or just having peace of mind. Here's the twist. A few months of consistent action can change your financial situation. Small changes in your spending and saving habits can add up to huge improvements over time. The key is consistency. Whether you're tracking spending, paying off debt, or working on boosting your income, stick to your plan and be patient. You don't have to be trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle forever. By taking control, making a plan. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe for more on how to build a financially secure future. Together we can break the cycle and build a brighter tomorrow.